to get excited and run to the bathroom for bath time, ready to change things up and throw in some bath time magic? Well, I'll tell you why you should and how to do it. I'm Jade and this is my village. There are so many cool things to do in the water, so I'll break this video up into two parts. Bath time is a very important part of our bedtime routine. Just think of all the great memories that you'll create by making it such a pleasant and happy experience. Plus, adding in these ideas will help stimulate those senses so they can learn new things too. I would wait though until they're at least 6 months old, and although most kids can wash themselves by age 6, doesn't mean that they wouldn't like a little fun too in the bathtub. So, how do we get them excited and running to the tub? So many options. My boys like pretending that the bathtub is a swimming pool, and for that you can just add in some pool toys that you might have, like small beach ball, floating rings. And a fun thing to do is buy a pool noodle, which I bought at the dollar store, and just cut them up. Actually, I could make a whole video about different ways to use pool noodles, honestly, for play. But this is what it looks like in the bathtub. Something else cool are those tiny fizzy tablets that are made specifically for dyeing bath water. I bought a few little boxes at the dollar store once, but they sell them in many places. And if you don't want to buy tablets, you could always dye the water in another fun way by making colored ice. And this is also fun sensory play in the backyard or at the table too. Just put a few drops of food coloring into the pitcher and pour the colored water into different shaped ice cube trays. Once those melt, the bath water will start changing color. More fun with color can be had with bath paint. It's finger paint soap. If you don't want to buy that, it can be made as well. You can choose between two recipes. The first is simple. You just mix food coloring with soap and about half as much cornstarch. But today, I'm making it with even less ingredients. You just mix shaving cream with food coloring and done! You can even add a paintbrush or something for them to paint with. I prefer them to use their hands though, so they can get comfortable with another new texture, add that to their repertoire. And my son likes to watch this paint dissolve in the bathtub. He told me it's a science experiment. Next are these very easy ones. Blow up a bunch of balloons, different sizes, fill the tub. Easy. Another simple way to add fun is just by playing some happy music. You can also give them some tickles with loofahs of different textures too. Tell them they're at the spa. Definitely explore though with the combination of these things, like blue water while pretending it's a pool. Just do a few of them or do all of them at the same time for a big bath party. Just make sure you give it a go though. It's so easy to make bath time an exciting experience for them. Now share this video with everyone that bathes children. Share your own tips in the comments. Let me know if you have your own questions or struggles too. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and watch my next video.